Wild Horses by the Rolling Stones can be played on acoustic guitar, no capo needed. We have 6 chords in this one, 2 bar chords. The rest of this is very beginner friendly. Let's get in for a close-up. So the chords you'll need to be able to play this song are a G major chord, A minor 7, those 2 chords make up the intro, B minor, which is a bar chord, C major, D major, and F major, which I'm going to play like this so that we can get back to this C chord nice and quickly just by pivoting this first finger like this. You can play the full F bar chord if you prefer, they sound exactly the same. 2 non-bar chord options. If you struggle with the F chord, just do F major 7. So literally the same finger motions as a C major chord. There's C major, there's F major 7. And rather than B minor, you can play B minor 7, which is like an A major chord, but with the first finger 1 string up and the third finger 1 string down. Just play that in place of the B minor chord and the F chord, but I'll be using bar chords for the rest of this. This is an ideal gateway to be able to play them. The intro uses 1 bar of G major to 1 bar of A minor 7 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's that strumming pattern per chord. For example, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Up, down, 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 up, down. Slow playthrough of the intro. 3, 4. Each of the verses uses the same chords. They start with the B minor chord to G major. If you prefer this F major 7, go for that. I'm going to continue to use the bar chords to encourage you to have a go at that. It does that twice, B minor G, B minor G, A minor 7, C major, D major, G, and then D, finishing on C major. And just strumming each chord once, join in with me if you wish. We have a B minor to G major, childhood living. B minor again to G major, is easy to do. A minor 7, the things you wanted. C, D major, G major, I bought them for you. D major, briefly to C major. Same again, 3, 4. Graceless lady, you know who I am. You know I can't let you slide through my hands. And then the chorus, A minor 7, really similar to the second line of the verse actually. A minor 7, wild horses, D, G, F major to C, wild, wild horses couldn't drag me away. All of that can be done with the strumming pattern down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, which we did in the intro. Couple of embellishments, let me show you that to you first of all. So we got B minor with the strumming pattern. As soon as you've done that last strum, get to the next chord as quickly as you can and arrive by that first strum. Ba-dum, bam, ba-ba-dum, bam, bam, ba-dum, bam, ba-da-dum. The things that you wanted. Here's where the change is. Every time we've got that C to D and coming back D to C, we've got kind of 1, 2, 3, 4. Or at the end of that line, just 2 strums. If you know the song well, you'll recognize that bit. Second line of that verse again with the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2. Bought them for you. Here it goes in reverse. 1, 2, 1, 2. Same thing on the fourth line of the verse. No, I can't let you. 1, 2, 1, 2. Slide through my hands. And before the chorus, it just stays on the D. And then we go to the chorus. Chorus with that strumming pattern is very similar to verse, the second line of the verse again. So it's variation of the strumming pattern there. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To C. Now one more time. A minor. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. The only other section we have is the solo, where we have basic open chords again. We have the F chord to C major, F to C, C, D, G. And then we're back into a verse. Let's go for a full slow playthrough and a demo of this now. Join in with me if you can. Make sure you got your acoustic with you when you watch my videos. And if you need more help, check out the chord sheet link in the description. And also check out my other acoustic videos that I'll link to in the description as well. My beginner's course is full of play-along jam tracks to really coach you guys to be able to play along to full songs, as is the improver course, and the intermediate jam tracks are coming real soon, so watch out for those. From the intro, 2, 3, 4. Childhood living is easy to do. Things that you wanted, I bought them for you. Graceless lady, you know who I am. You know I can't let you slide through my hands. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild, wild horses couldn't drag me away. I watched you suffer a dull aching pain. decided to show me the same. No sweeping exit or off stage lines could make me feel better or treat you unkind. Wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild, wild horses couldn't drag me away. And we're into the solo. B minor. I know I dreamed you seen and alive. I have my freedom, but I don't have much time. Has been broken. Tears must be cried. Let's do some living after we die. Wild, wild horses couldn't drag me away. Wild, wild horses couldn't drag me away. That's how to play Wild Horses. If you want more help playing along to a full song, check out my beginner's course and my improver course, which both have full jam tracks with play along videos and tab and everything like that to coach you guys to play along to these full songs, which are so wonderful. I'll leave some more links on screen now. Let me know what videos you want to see in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.